While on a break, I was thinking of a content, and then I saw this one question in the GrabFood riders group chat. The question was, where do I park the bike while in the merchant picking up the food or delivering it to the customer? So basically, where to park the motorcycle. I know my motorcycle delivery days are over, but please indulge me on this. Welcome back to my channel, The Adventures of Bomb Solo. Before I proceed, let me tell you first or share with you where I never parked my motorcycle when I was still using it. The first was the grassland. Second is the footpaths or the pavements. And third is the double yellow lines. Simply because it's illegal. So I never leave or park my motorcycle in those spaces. Okay, to the question, where do I usually park my motorcycle when I was still doing motorcycle delivery? In no particular order, number one is commonly accepted parking space. What I do before is simply locate where the motorcycle riders congregate, provided they are not on the grassland, pavement, or double yellow lines. I don't recommend parking on the prohibited spaces, but if you insist, park at your own risk, alright? Now let me show you a couple of examples of the commonly accepted parking space. Moving on, number 2 on my list is authorized mall parking spaces. In the absence of commonly accepted parking spaces surrounding the malls, I go to the authorized or official mall parking spaces. I know it's paid, that's why a lot of us doesn't want to go there, but it is what it is. For example, in Passeries, White Sands, I go to the basement. Dudok Mall, I go to the basement as well. The East Point in Simei, I go to the upper levels. They have parking spaces there. But I'm actually surprised on the example I'm about to show you in White Sands. The parking fee is free. I don't know if it's free every time or it's just for this particular moment. Have a look. Next is number 3 on my list, designated motorcycle parking space in HDBs and URAs. This is paid parking as well, as you probably know, but it's free for the first 10 minutes. So whether you're picking up order or delivering food, if you can finish it under 10 minutes, then it's free. Okay? And then after 10 minutes, normal charges apply. Check with the HDB or URA website for the charges details. By the way, the lots are marked M cycles, which stands obviously for motorcycle, like this. Number 4 on my list, loading and unloading bays on HDBs. Have a look. There was confusion here actually, because I had a case where I was approached by somebody and told me that it's not allowed to park on the loading and unloading bays on HDBs. So that night, I emailed the HDB and asked for clarification, which they replied after a week. Hello HDB, I'm a food delivery motorbike rider. Am I allowed to temporarily park my motorbike on HDB's marked loading and unloading bays while doing food delivery? Thank you. Dear Mr. Please refer to your inquiry pertaining to loading bay. We would like to clarify that HDB does not restrict the use of loading, unloading activities to 15 minutes, so long as loading, unloading activities are in progress. However, the enforcement officer will issue a summons if there is no sign of loading or unloading activities for 15 minutes. Thank you and best regards. In short, it's allowed provided it's within their 15-minute limit period, after which a summon will be issued. By the way, I can only speak about HDB's loading bay and unloading bay. Not sure about the URAs. Alright? Okay, last on my list is the condominium parking. Here, there's nothing much to say, but listen to the security guards as they will assist you. Alright? Okay, let's summarize. Okay folks, that's all for now. I hope you find the video useful. Give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell for the upcoming ones. Okay? Until then, stay safe, stay healthy. This is Bong Solo. Peace out.